Hey there, and welcome to another video on using Omnifocus 2. My name is Brad Murphy, and in the last few videos we discussed entering in tasks in the inbox, converting some of those tasks into projects, and creating new projects. In this video, we're going to discuss context and how it applies to tasks and how it will make you more productive. Um, Context is something that I use almost exclusively versus to-do dates. What a context does in OmniFocus is it allows you to group similar tasks together and make you more productive while you're getting work done. So if we look at this last project we made, which was planned for Michaela's field trip, we notice we added a context grocery store down here to buy snacks at the grocery store. Now, in our inbox, we have some other tasks that we have yet to assign context for. So if we go through here and underneath the task name, you have an area where you can assign a project to it, or you can assign a context to it. So I'm going to click here on context and start typing in grocery store. And you'll notice that grocery store is already here in context and highlights itself. So I can simply just press the return button and add that context to that task, as well as for this one. If you don't have grocery store as a context, you could either click create grocery store or hit command return, and it will create that context for you, because OmniFocus only ships with a limited set of context pre-built into there, so you'll have to add and modify the context in here to customize it to your tastes. So we added grocery store to these two tasks, and underneath projects we still have grocery store for snacks. So if we click on context here on the side underneath grocery store, you'll notice that those three tasks are now grouped together. It doesn't matter what project, folder, task it is. If it is assigned the same context, it will appear in the list under these contexts. So when I go to the grocery store, all I have to do is look at OmniFocus on my phone for this context, and it will help me easily remember that I need to pick up these, and these things, and I can knock out three tasks right at once, and I don't have to make separate trips or forget anything. Everything's all grouped together. And creating a new context is just as simple as clicking the plus button down here at the bottom, and you can create groups of context if you want to clunk them together, or you could have individual ones. And to remove them, you can just click on it, press delete, and it will remove unneeded context here for you. So I think contexts are great. I use them often, and I highly recommend you get used to using these contexts here, as they will definitely make you more productive. In our next video, we'll go ahead and look at the new forecast area in OmniFocus 2.